Tubular Incorporated. This is TESDA Accredited Training Center. How are you today?
Very good.
May I request everyone to please stand for a prayer? Let us put ourselves in the holy presence of God. Amen. Please sit down. My name is Marjorie Pedro. I am Accredited Competency Assessor for Organic Agriculture Production NC2. So here is my ID. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. John Peter Lumbay, the Assessment Center Manager, and Mrs. Razel Pelonia, a representative from TESDA Provincial Office. You don't have to worry for their presence. They are here to oversee the conduct of competency assessment and to check if the conduct of assessment is in accordance with the prescribed competency assessment methodology and procedures. They will not assess you. Now, let me check your attendance. Please say present to me your admission slip once your name is called and sign this attendance sheet. Miss Jonalyn S. Mapano, Miss Razel Aneta, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, I have here with me your accomplished self-assessment guide. As I scanned it, everything was yes, which means that you know and can perform all the competencies enumerated in this qualification. Now let's proceed to National Assessment and Certification Arrangement. At the end of this assessment, you will receive CARS or Competency Assessment Result Summary, either competent or not yet competent. If you receive competent, it means that you meet the standards of this qualification. You can claim your national certificate after 5 days from the assessment. Bring with you one piece passport size picture with white background with color attire, then you'll pay 50 pesos. And don't forget the TESDA rules. You are not allowed to enter their office if you are not wearing formal attire. Wearing shorts, pants, sleeveless, and slippers. The validity of certificate is 5 years. Otherwise, if you received not yet competent, it means you didn't able to meet the standards of this qualification. But don't you worry, you can apply for assessment anytime at your convenience. In case you are not satisfied with the results, you have the right to appeal and can submit your appeal to the TESDA Provincial Office, where the assessment center and the assessor are accredited. With regards to the result of the assessment, we observe strictly confidentiality. This is to ensure the integrity of the assessment as well as my credibility as your assessor. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's proceed to our orientation. Now, today, I am going to administer competency assessment for organic agriculture production in C2, wherein there are 3 competencies, namely, raise organic chicken, produce organic vegetables, produce organic fertilizer, produce organic concoctions and extracts. I will collect evidence through demonstration and oral questioning in order to help me determine your knowledge and skills for organic agriculture production NC2. We have 4 hours for our assessment. Let me ask first. Okay, Miss Lanita, let me ask you first. Why are you here? What is your purpose of taking this assessment? Okay, thank you. How about you, Miss Mapano? Why are you here? what is your purpose for this assessment? Okay, thank you. Probably, some of you here are waiting for a promotion or compliance for your job, or maybe of ranking purposes. However, the most important purpose is that to determine your level of competence in this qualification. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. For your personal needs, the lavatory is located at the hallway and you can take your procedures. You are not allowed to leave the premises, especially during the assessment. Eating inside is not allowed. Wearing jewelry is not allowed. If you have any questions, clarification, and difficulties, feel free to ask me. But once the assessment has started, please refrain from asking questions for it is no longer allowed. Also, please observe safety as your performance different tasks. If accidents occur, call May attention immediately so we can provide you the first aid. The first aid cabinet is located at the right side of the assessment center. So feel free to use when needed. Do you have any questions?
None.
Okay. If none, I will now distribute the competency assessment agreement sheets. Please read the instruction carefully and answer all the questions outlined in the document. If you need assistance, I will be more than willing to assist you. Let's have 5 minutes break first. Time is up. Now, let's proceed to numbers with Sling. Miss Lanita, you are candidate number 1 in group 1. And you, Miss Mapano, you are number 2 in group 2. I have to explain first the specific instruction that you will demonstrate the 4 core competencies. Okay? I'm sure everybody is ready for assessment. Are you now ready?
Yes.
Okay. Materials, tools, equipments, and ingredients are already prepared. And don't forget that the ingredients are not enough for you, candidates. Be sure that you get the exact amount just for you because it was already budgeted. Just relax and be calm. So you may now start. You are given 4 hours to finish. Okay, time is up. Now let's have an oral questioning. Candidate number 1. How are you feeling right now? Are you now ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
What is the main purpose why we need to label package concoctions?
The main purpose why we needed to label package concoction is to ensure and to determine the date when we extract the concoction. Likewise, to determine what type of concoction it is.
Okay. Question number 2. Why we need to determine the date of production and the date of harvest in our products?
We need to emphasize the date of production and the date of harvest in order to determine the number of days when to use the fermented concoction according to enterprise practices.
Okay, thank you very much. Candidate number 1. Alright, candidate number 2. How was your feeling right now?
Nervous a little bit.
Okay. You must have 3 correct answers and 5 questions. What is the main purpose why we need to label package concoctions?
The main purpose why we need to label package concoction is to ensure and to determine the date when we extract the concoctions. Likewise, to determine what type of concoction it is.
Okay, very good. Question number 2. Why we need to determine the date of production and and the date of harvest in our products.
We need to emphasize the date of production and the date of harvest in order to determine the number of days when to use the fermented concoctions according to enterprise practices.
Okay, thank you. You may now go back to your seat. For you, candidate number 2, I'd like to offer my congratulations for a job well done in the assessment. You were able to prepare the production successfully, even if you are tense at the middle part, but you still able to manage and ask the oral examination. You were able to answer questions correctly. However, you have still need to improve the application of carbonized rice hull in your organic fertilizer to provide soil balance in your organic vegetable. And so based on the evidence that I've gathered, I found you competent. Congratulations. Please sign this rating sheet. You can get your national certificates after 5 days at the TESDA provincial office. The processing fee is 50 pesos and bring one passport size picture with white background and color attire. Okay? So, let's proceed to candidate number 2. First of all, I would like to say congratulations. You were able to finish the whole assessment period. Even if you're not in good condition, you were able to present. However, I want to point out that during the demonstration, you were not able to follow the measurements as to how much millimeter of molasses you use. Since it is so critical, it can affect the product. The oral questioning, you were not able to answer correctly the first to third questions. Nevertheless, you remain calm and cool-headed despite that you are not in good condition. And so based on the evidences that I have gathered, I found you not yet competent. I'm so sorry. You were not able to meet the standards of this qualification. But don't worry, you can still have yourself reassessed again at your convenience. All you have to do is to fill up again the application form and attach 3 pieces passport size picture and the assessment fee. For the COC 3 and 4, you claim your certificate or file it in a TESDA provincial office. Do you have any questions?
None.
Okay, please sign this rating sheet and cards. Okay, thank you. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Let's call it a day. I'm done with the assessment. I will now sign the attendance sheet or CARS, Competency Assessment Results Summary and Registry of Workers Assessed and Certified. I will give this to the TESDA representative. Okay, Ma'am Pelonia, here is the result of summary.